Incognito window in Chrome. How to open, navigate, and use it. Hey guys, what's up? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you how to open and use an incognito tab in Google Chrome. Like these kinds of videos, check out other related videos on this channel. Subscribe, and I'll keep making helpful videos for you. Guys, Chrome's incognito window lets you browse without saving history, cookies, site data, or form info after closing. It's useful to avoid local activity tracking. No history, cookies, site data, or form info saved. But sites can still track you while using incognito. Your ISP and network admin can see your browsing, while downloads and favorites are saved on your device. Opening an incognito tab in Google Chrome is easy. I'll show you how on my laptop. Click these three lines up here and choose New Incognito Window. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus N to open it quickly. This incognito tab won't save your history, cookies, site data, or form inputs. Got it, everyone? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.